Hello student, myself Padua. I welcome you all in Ratnamani School for Children. Student, today we will learn unit number 1, the best Christmas present in the world. This lesson was written by Michael Morfongo, the author here. And in this lesson, there are three main characters, the author Michael, second number Mr. Jim McPherson, a soldier, and Mrs. Jim McPherson. Here, three main characters. In the story, the description of war, and during the war a soldier wrote a letter to his wife Jim McPherson. So before starting the unit we will know the story of the unit. So here I say a story. One day I means the author Michael. One day I went to junk shop. Junk shop means the shop where we find lots of old item. The item of wooden, item of iron, etc. items. So one day I went to a junk shop in Bridport. There was a roll top desk. Roll top desk means one type of table. So there was a roll top desk. I wanted to buy it. I wanted to buy it. The shop owner said that it was a 19th century table. The table was in a bad condition because one leg of was broken. Some scratches marks were also on it, but I wanted to buy the roll top desk. I paid money the man and bought the roll top desk table. I started to repair it because it was in bad condition. Step by step, I started to clean it. At last, I tried to open the drawers of the table. I found difficulty to open the drawer, so I gave punch to the drawer and I hardly opened the drawer. The drawer of the table. In the roll top desk table, I found a little box in the drawer, and there were many letters in the little tin box. I opened an envelope from the tin box, and the address was written on the envelope like Mrs. McPherson, 12th Copper Beaches, Brickport, Dorset. That was the address written on the letter. The letter date on 16 December 1940. It was an old letter. That was the letter of a soldier. That was the letter of soldier who wrote her wife Mrs. Canning. Canning is the second name of Mrs. Jim McPherson. Mrs. Jim, Mr. Jim wrote a letter about war. He wrote about the war like the British and German war in 1940. In the war, Mr. Jim met the captain of enemy army and talked about when will the war end. When the author read the whole letter, So the author wanted to give that letter to Mrs. Jim McPherson. The author reached at the at Dorset, but the lady Mrs. Jim McPherson, the author couldn't find the lady Mrs. Jim McPherson. She was lived a nursing home. Nursing home, it's one type of home where the old people live. So Mrs. McPherson lived in a nursing home because her house was totally damaged. Then the author the author went to the nursing home and met Mrs. Jim McPherson in the nursing home. Mrs. Jim McPherson was 100 years old. She was very old lady. She was in a wheelchair. She couldn't stand up and couldn't move. So she was she was totally walked in wheelchair. When the author reached there and met her in the nursing home, she understood that her husband came, means that she believed that her husband came with a letter, but actually there was no her husband. There was here the author went closer to the lady in the name of Mrs. McPherson. Here the author introduced him and gave her a letter of Mr. Jim McPherson. At last she said that it was my best Christmas present in the world. When the lady got the letter of her husband, so lady said that at last this was the best Christmas present in the world. So this is the story of the best Christmas present in the world. Student, we will go ahead for the hard word for the keyword in the lesson. So we started for the first paragraph. Here spotted. Spotted means show it. And junk shop. Junk shop is a one type of shop where we get the old thing. Breadpot is a place. Roll top desk, it's a one type of table. We will go ahead. Expensive. Expensive means very costly. Expensive means costly. Then we will go ahead in the spelling. Restore. Restore means save. Risk. Risk means danger. It's very risky. Garage. Garage means one type of a place where the person repair the tools and things. Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve means Christmas evening. Then veneer. Veneer means thin layer. Thin layer of the wood. We will go ahead in next page for the spelling. Here drawer is a one type of box that we find in the table. Brute force means without thinking we can force, it's called brute force. Struck means it's shut tight. Struck means tightly. Fist means one type of a punch that we can hit by our hand. Reveal means open. secret drawer means mystery drawer. Then receive means get. We will go ahead in curiosity. Curiosity means the thing that we wants to know more about it. Scruple. Scruple means hesitate. Means feeling that make you hesitate to do something wrong. It means here the author think that this is the wrong thing that I open the door. Okay friends, these are the spelling of unit number 1 in the name of the best Christmas present in the world. We will go ahead in second session. Okay, goodbye.